Hello world and welcome to Channel Bill. Now you might be wondering what I'm doing at this stupid angle and why my damn dog has decided to come and join us. But I'm going to make a little video and I'm going to show you how to use your dowsing rods as a compass. You're joking? I most certainly am not, people. Here I have a compass. Here I have 4 bits of paper, north, south, east, west. I'm going to lay these out. On the floor here and set it up so that we can hopefully see it. And I will be back when I've done that. Just go and put the kettle on. Okay, world. We've prattled about with the camera a bit and these bits of paper. It's not working out too well, but I'm going to show you. Here I have south. Here is west. There, in my dog's nose, is east. And there, if you can see, is north. So let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. God, I'm confident. Okay, relax, clear the mind, clear the rods. Which way is north? The right rod is now moving in a clockwise direction. It's past west, keeping going, and has now come to rest, pointing north. I hope you can see that. Open, open, open. I've been asked by people what open means, and open does not mean open the rods as in like that. In my mind, open is open for instruction. Okay, to continue. Which way is east? The right rod is about to move, and there we go in an anti-clockwise direction. It's past south. Oops. And if I move a little bit so that it can finish, and it is now pointing east. I hope you can see that. Open. Open. Preferably today. Thank you. Open. Okay. Which way is south? Point south. Which way is south? The right rod is now starting to move in an anti-clockwise direction and should be stopping anytime soon, I hope. The rod has stopped and it is indeed pointing south. Open. Now, where I live in France, in the Vienne, I'm about 250 kilometres from Paris. But let's assume that I wanted to go to Paris. I can't think where I want to. I've seen the place. Once you get away from the touristy bits, it's right. Anyway, enough said. But suppose I want to go find my way to Paris. Let's see what we do, eh? I know that Paris is about 250 kilometres from here, and it's in a generally northerly direction. Find Paris. Find Paris. The right rod is starting to move in a clockwise direction. Find Paris. We're still going, I can still feel it in my hand. I don't know what sensation it is that I feel. Perhaps it's the rods. Perhaps it's the fact that the rods are trying to move and they've not yet overcome the friction of my skin. I don't know, but I can feel it just the same. The sensation has now stopped, which means the rod is finished. And we're pointing more or less north, so I'm convinced. Open. 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 Oops. Okay people, that concludes this demonstration. I hope it's given you food for thought, and I hope that you're going to get your rod and go out there and try it. Just try it. When you try it, leave your comments down there. Let other people know what you find. Let them carry on from where you've left off. Thank you for watching, and come back for something else.